What's going on, everybody? It's Mel with eventpartyco.com. Welcome to this tutorial on how to download and upload music to your DSLR photo booth using iTunes. And of course, I'm using the Event Party Co. mirrored full-size photo booth. If you're setting up your photo booth and want to add background music, you'll need to ensure you're using the correct file format. Now, you may notice that the DSLR booth requires an MP3 file instead of an MP4. But don't worry, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check what type of file your photo booth needs and walk you through the steps to convert an MP4 file into an MP3 format if needed. But be sure to first double check the file type that is required. So I'm on my photo booth, as you can see right now. I'll hit that drop down menu and I'm going to look for capture settings. When you locate capture settings, click on capture settings. Now for the background music, you're mainly going to use it for the video. So if you plan on using video or even a boomerang, but I think video only, on the DSLR booth, scroll all the way down and where it reads MP3 soundtracks, where there you have it, it is requiring an MP3 format. So usually on iTunes, it will be an MP4 format. So if we need to change it to an MP3, no worries, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, let's go to iTunes and I'll show you real quick how to get music. Obviously, if you have an iTunes account or if you need to sign up for an iTunes account, you can get music here for $1 or $2 or so. And you can go to the store and you can purchase it there. As you can see, it's loading right now. Go to the iTunes store, type in some classic soundtracks or classic music that you need for your theme for your photo booth. And if you need to purchase it, like I said, it's only about $1.29, $2 or what have you. You can purchase it here. Now, I already have them purchased, so I'm going to go to my library and see what I have. Okay, so these are a couple of songs that I do have right here for the photo booth. Now, we're going to grab this one right here, and this one is going to be an MP4 format. So it looks like I need to make sure I need to convert it to an MP3. Now, it's going to be in my folder. So let me go to my folder. And this is on my photo booth. So I would recommend, if you can, do it on your photo booth. And I'm going to look and search for the song. There it is. That's the song that I downloaded. And it is an MP4 format. So in order to convert it, I need to go to this website. And I'll put the website here in the description. I believe it's like fileconvert.com. or fileconverter.com. There it is. Boom. So right now it's free. I'm not sure if it will be free by the time it gets to you or by the time you get to watch this video. Anyways, click on choose files from device and you need to search for the song. Usually it will be in downloads and there it is. Okay, so let's select it and we want to make sure we turn that file output to an MP3. Let's go ahead and click on convert. Now this may take a couple of minutes. So bear with me as this downloads. Yes, as you can see, that's an MP4. That's not what we want right there. We need to get that MP3. Okay, fantastic. It is now done. Let's click on download. Let me click it one more time. Okay, so there we have it. Click on download, save to device, and give it a couple of seconds. Boom. There, top right, MP3, as you can see, that's what we need. Very good. All right, so next thing that we need to do is we need to go to our DSLR booth application. All right, now all we need to do is, let me delete the old one and let me choose the one we just converted. Add media, there it is. Double click on it. Perfect. And I'm going to delete the old file. And let's do a launch an event so you can see what this looks like. And I probably will put the music on here as well so you can hear. So bear with me. It's going to be video. And pardon me as I go through this. I went a little too fast, but You could choose templates if you'd like, of course. I need to choose an effect. I want to make sure it's a black and white theme, if you will. Perfect. Next. All right, here we go. Here's my dancing skills, guys. Do not judge me at all, please. And if you want to learn more on how to leverage your photo booth with really cool tricks or even Canva templates, I got you covered. Go to eventpartyco.com, resources, and you can sign up for free webinars or even courses. Okay, so this is the live version right here. So pardon the music in the background from our showroom. This is our showroom, guys. I'm gonna wait till this uploads or just downloads for the file. In the meantime, I'll let you know that we do have other items if you're interested in adding event rental products to your inventory: chairs, backdrops, throne chairs, dance floors, and other photo booths as well. So if you're interested in adding more DSLR or iPad photo booths, Event Party Co has got you covered. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check it out. This is it in action with the music. And that's how you do it. If you want to add soundtrack. Now, if you need to add soundtrack to your iPad, I do have a video for that, or your 360 photo booth. If you need the link, I'll leave the link in the description as well.